Understand masculine strength while keeping feminine gentleness. Become the stream or channel of the universe. Return to the innocent awareness of a child. Know the light of inner wisdom, yet tend to the darkness that comes from being human. Be an example for the world of how the way moves through the dark and the light in life. Understand honor, yet remain humble. Become like a valley, simple and fertile, ready to be shaped and cultivated. When natural wood is cut, it can be made into useful things. When evolved ones allow themselves to be of service, they can become wise leaders. They serve like a good tailor who cuts very little. Those who think they can improve the way of things do not see the broader picture. By observing life, evolved ones notice how everything has a natural pattern, order, or way of being. Thus, to interfere with people or situations often creates a counter-reaction. To interfere can tamper with the natural balance that is at work. Do you know more than that which created life? Notice how in life some people naturally lead, while others naturally follow. Some agitate, while others remain calm. Some appear strong, while others appear weak. And some follow through, while others lose interest. Thus, wise ones remain centered, rather than trying to interfere or change others.